To save your handwritten notebooks forever and digitalize them. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. So if you write journals or notes or anything with pen and paper, the problem is that after a while they get piling up, and I have never actually saved these because I like to keep things minimal. So I usually throw them away after a while. Now what happens, I figure out a way how you can save all your journals and notes forever in the clouds, and this is not going to cost you anything. And in this video today, I'm going to show exactly how you can do that. But the only catch is that you have to have a Pixel phone. So this is a feature I believe is specific to Pixel phones, not Android. And Google might roll out this feature in the future for Android phones, but right now this is only available on Pixel phones. And I'm going to show you today how can you digitalize your journal, notebooks, anything handwritten, and save them forever in cloud. So here I finished writing my today's journal, and you can see that I have other pages from past days, and I already digitalized them. So today I just wrote this part just to show you guys how it works. So you just write on a notebook or on a piece of paper or anything as you'd normally do. Then what you're going to do, you're going to just take this, take what you wrote. Let's set this aside here. And you have to use Google Gemini to scan them to make it text. So let me just open Google Gemini here, and what you can do, you can just give a prompt, convert this to text or transcribe or anything would work. Usually AI is very good with to understand what you're asking to do. So you have to turn on the camera, and then now Gemini is reading it, or Gemini is taking a picture. So I'm just going to take a picture, and then I'll attach this to Gemini. So now I have my prompt, and I have the attachment, which is just this, or any paper or any notebook. And then I'm going to hit enter. And you can see this is really fast. So I'm surprised that sometimes I have lots of pages and it can convert to text very fast, which is amazing. And then you're going to select all and copy, and then you're going to open Google Journal on your Pixel phone. So this is specific to Pixel phone. Other phones is not going to work, and I believe this is only available to upper latest models, not very old Pixels. So if you open Journal, for example, this is Pixel 8a Pro, and what I'm recording with Pixel 8 Pro, and what I'm recording with Pixel 10 Pro. So I have a Pixel Journal on both of these phones. Okay, so now you're just going to, so this is the entry page of your journal when you open a journal, and then you have to just write here. But what you're going to do, instead of writing, you're going to just paste what you copied. So I'm going to paste here. Oh, not this. Okay, so I'm going to just paste here, and then you see that what you just wrote all pasted here. And usually you can just check for minor mistakes. I have noticed that the mistake rate is very low when Gemini is converting from picture to text or from paper to text. But you can just have a quick look. For example, today I don't see any even mistakes, but sometimes I find one or two words spelling error or wrong word, but it's not often. So here I have the journal or entries for today. So I'm just going to give it a title, which is going to be the same as the date, and then I'm going to hit save. And then you can see that today is April 12th, and everything is saved. So now I have my paper journal, paper notes, or anything saved on Pixel Journal forever, and you can come back here and anytime you can access by entry. So this is the easiest, free, and simple way to convert your handwritten notes, journal, or anything and to Pixel Note. And this is for free, and this is a really good feature, and this way you can save all of your entries to look at it in the future, or just for the sake of saving. And this is going to be available on cloud across all Pixel phones if you have Pixel Journal installed on your phone, and this is how it looks like. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.